survival one?
This is my kind of fall. I don't like pumpkin spice anything. I don't want a pumpkin spice candle. I don't want to smell desserts permeating through my house. But this is my type of fall. This tobacco vanille, tobacco vanilla, teak wood. This is my fall, okay? All right, guys. So I know I've been mighty quiet, but I figured I'll give you, not so much a silent vlog, but just, I don't want to ramble on. So I said, let me just record and, put something together, which wasn't my initial plan. So I left out parts where I was talking. But anyway, I just wanted to come back and show you what I got from Nordstrom Rack. And, these three are from Nordstrom Rack. And then I went to Marshall's, right? So the Sand and Fog and the Whiskey and Leather are from Nordstrom Rack. But then I went into Marshall's real quick and I found this. It was meant to be. So yeah. And this was only, can you see? This was only $14.97. And these were only $8. And then this one was $6.99. Oh, you know what I was like? Isn't this cute? It's like little puffer, for concealer. So this is perfect, like under the eye, little inconspicuous spots you want to conceal. Yeah, that's all. that's all. That's not all. I'm not bugging. I know I've got... Here. I bought another green pan, like the ceramic coating pan for eggs, because the one I'm using now, it's a little smaller than this, and I just need a bigger one, so I just got that one. Yeah, that's it. Okay, guys, thanks so much for watching. Appreciate you for even clicking on this video and staying till the end, and catch you in my next one. And until then, hope this helped.